interesting. We think you'll want to hear this as we make our way
in front of the
towards
television asking why, and realizing that there's not going to be an answer to why. The next question that came to my mind is, how do I make it better?
Of course, as the news started to unfold about who did it and why they did it, and you know, I was angry, and you know, I'm still angry.
The year of 2001 just seemed very dark.
September 11th is heard by Toronto sound artist Subliminal. Our special Parallel Lives, produced by the CBC's Mary Weens and Joe Melanson, concludes after weather and traffic.
A mix of sun and cloud expected today with a high